Hello everyone, this is your favorite maths teacher A. Mani Sharma and you are watching Parallel Lines Part 8. Now let us see what is given. Draw a line segment of AB. Draw a line segment AB of 5.5 centimeter. Okay. Then find a point P on it such that AP is equal to 2 by 3 PB. Equal to 2 by 3 PB. It is given here. Now this PB is in the numerator in the RHS, and if you bring it to the LHS, what it will become? It will become AP by PB is equal to 2 by 3, or 2 by 3 is nothing but 2:3. That means you have to divide the line AB in the ratio 2:3. So this is what you have to understand here from this question. Now let us start doing the work. First what we have to do? We have to draw a line AB. Now children, I have already told you in your previous classes that when you are drawing the lines, you have to keep in mind, see, this is the single ruled copy and this is the page of your single ruled copy, and on the page you take one line and draw AB of length 5.5 centimeter. Now let us say that this is a line segment. Okay, this is a line segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter. Now this is 5.5 centimeter. Now on this line you have to locate a point P which divides AB in the ratio 2:3. This is what we have to do. Now how can we do this? Start doing the steps. Now first step is you have to draw an angle at A and also at B, at A as well as at B. Now see, from B I have drawn an angle to the lower side of the line, and the angle is 30 degree. Now at A you will draw an angle again of 30 degree to the upper side. Now see what you are going to get. Now you are getting two rays, one is AX and the other is BY, and these two rays are parallel to one another because see, you have made alternate angles equal. Now see, 2:3 ratio means total parts will be equal to 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. So you have to make how many parts? 5 parts. Now see, locate points on AX. How many points? 5 points on AX. And what all are the points? Now see, here you are getting A1. What is this point? This point is the point where your ray is intersecting with the lines of your copy. Now A1, A2, A3, A4 and this is A5. Similarly, B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. So this is how you got the points, intersecting points. Now you need 2:3 ratio. So 2:3. Now this 2 denotes A and this 3 denotes B. So you have to join A2 with B3. Okay, A2 with B3. Now take a ruler and join A2 with B3. Now see, you have got a point P between A and B which is dividing AB in the ratio 2:3. AP is 2 parts and PB is 3 parts. Now this is how you got AP is to PB equal to 2:3, or AP by PB equal to 2 by 3, or you can say AP is equal to 2 by 3 PB. 8. Draw a line segment AB equal to 6 centimeter Find a point Q on it such that AQ equal to 2 by 5 QB. Now children, see here also you have to locate one divides AB in the ratio 2:5. So if you can see here, just now I have explained how it comes. So here you need AQ is to QB equal to 2:5. So let us start doing this quickly. How we can do? Take a ruler first and draw a line AB of length 6 centimeter. Okay. First let us draw a line AB of length 6 centimeter. So let us say that AB is equal to 6 centimeters. So see, this is A and this is B. Now what you have to do? You have to locate a point Q which divides AB in the ratio 2:5. So total parts, how many parts are there? Total parts will be equal to 2 plus 5, that is equal to 7. So let us divide. Now to divide, what we will do? We will start drawing a ray from B and a ray from A. Okay. From B, I am drawing the ray to the lower side. So let us draw a ray to the lower side from B and to the upper side from A. And in both the cases, the ray makes 30-degree angle with AB. Okay. So the ray is making 30-degree angle with AB. Now see, this is BY and this is AX. Now children, how many parts we have to make? We have to make 7 parts. So let us start making. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. That means we need to go a little bit upper side. So let us go move to the upper side and let us prolong this line. Okay, let us prolong this line. So to the lower side also we need to prolong it. So we shall prolong it. Okay. Now A5. After that you are getting A6 here. A6 and here it is A7. Okay. Same way let us do for B also. So let us see for B. This is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Now this point is B6 and this point is B7. So this is nothing but this is Y I have written here so that we can write here. This is Y. Now children, you have to divide AB in the ratio 2:5. Now 2:5 you have to understand here. 2:5 means this is for A and this for B. So A2 you have to join with B5. When you join A2 with B5, you will get the required ratio. Now take the ruler and join A2 with B5. Now see, we have joined A2 with B5. So see here, this is the point Q. This is the point Q. Okay. So this AQ is equal to how many parts? 2 parts. And QB is equal to 5 parts. So here we got AQ is to QB equal to 2:5 or AQ equal to 2 by 5 QB. So children, this is how you will solve the given question. So thank you. We shall meet again with some more questions of parallel lines in the next class.